Rain, rain, go away, don't come again another day.
Things like this, it's enough to make somebody go to death.
Have you ever?
What?
Have a bad like this? Have strange things happen. How are you going?
It's fine.
Yep, it's slowing down. It sounds like thunder actually.
I thought it was a plane, or jet.
No, just there. Sounds like thunder.
Quite possible. But yeah, they're putting another greenhouse back, so you can't see right there, see?
Down there.
It'll be huge one.
Right down
so
the
there'll be
bottom.
two. Because the mute squash that's in the greenhouse there, the thing that's taking up half the greenhouse, has to get moved. It's huge. The problem is because you planted them way too close, so they're growing insane. What else is back here?
Oh, it's the Poscum here.
Oh, the what?
Poscum here.
Oh.
There's like Livingston daisies and nasturtiums and marigolds.
Lilies, lots of lilies. What's that big bush plant? No, the one.
Hydrangea.
Yeah, hydrangea.
Don't know what that thing is there.
That's your grandfather's.
Rhubarb.
There's sweet peas on the ground. We gotta put them in the container.
Yeah, we'll live alright. Clematis. And this is honeysuckle way back there beside the birdie box. More rhubarb. Some like ornamental grass.
My foxglove was
geraniums and foxgloves in the big black pot. Birdie bath. Another birdie bath back there.
A bench that you sit on, you get your ass wet.
Hosta.
There's an aster, but you can't see it, so.
Don't know if it's an aster though.
Yeah, it might be something else.
Aster, I can't remember what that thing's called.
Look, holy crap!
Another hosta. The gazania down there, some other random crap. Some grass, another hosta.
Lots of hostas.
And that's an azalea.
The red thing.
Yep, it's an azalea. Then ornamental strawberry, another hosta. Some
more daisies in the
daisies. I can't remember that's Lily Valley or something, this thing over there. An acer, that's what that red thing is. And out there is forest flame. Daisies and an orchid. It's may or may not be dead, we're not sure.
You put it in the greenhouse, it died.
No, it's coming back green though.
There's green on it, but it's coming back burnt.
No, but the green's coming back in it now.
Yeah, so yeah, this is just random pictures of the rain because it's pouring.
Yeah, push me forward.
Am I?
Yeah, and you put the camera in the rain. Every time you push me forward, the camera gets flung out in the rain.
Great, let's wreck the camera.
Yeah, you might just...
You want to take a picture of me? You're taking a picture of the kitchen. Messy kitchen, because...
It's not messy, it's
fine.
No,
it's not. But yeah.
Swirly, mirror thing.
The whirly thing. Goes around in a circle.
Big industrial strength thing.
Yeah, so, and there's dahlias in the pots down there, but you can't see them, so...
Pom-pom dahlias just in the shop.
And lilies we haven't
camera almost drowned again. Yeah, they're coming up.
That was a nice picture of the sky.
On my shirt, one of the two.
One or the other, yeah.
Shack.
Holy crap, it's raining hard.
Shack extension, yes it is.
There's I'm not sure what's in there. Is your pedal bike in there?
I don't know.
I don't know where your pedal bike is.
Hidden away somewhere.
It's right outside, is it?
No, it's not.
Okay, good.
Hidden away somewhere.
There's marigolds over there in the trough. You can't see because he's looking at something.
The rain, I'm trying to get the rain in the shop.
Alright. It's rain.
Yeah, just so you can
I don't know if you can see. You can see when it hits the puddles.
No, you can see it over here through the lights, right?
Alright, cool. But yeah, more rain in Scotland. Lots of fun.
I didn't rain that much here actually, and now it gets heavier and heavier.
Holy crap. Wow! I'm gonna get wet! Fuck!
So for all the rain deprived people, you know, here's a bit of rain.
Holy hell!
Wipe the lines there, wipe the water off.
I can't believe that. It's just pouring. That was John's finger.
Yeah, I'm taking the water off the line.
I don't think it was his middle finger.
No, it was my index finger actually.
Hey, that reminds me. I need to put my writing room back on. I think that's because my fingers swelled up last night.
Sounds like thunder.
Lots of me swearing as usual. Do you realize all that dirt you guys have gone off is going to be like a big mud pile?
Probably.
You can do like a slip and slide, you know, through the mud.
Oh yeah, you can get your bikini on now and then you can have a bit of fun. How are you being? Do one of the two.
Not happening.
Why not? I'm sure your viewers would love it.
What?
I'm sure your viewers would get a laugh out of it, seeing you falling your ass caked in mud.
Yeah, no.
Or maybe it'll sell it online, make some money, you know?
I'm not doing the Woodstock thing.
What? Smear yourself with mud. And then have a brawl.
Anyway, so this is rain, and it looks like it's blossoming. So, I don't know how long this video is. 4 minutes of rain and us rambling. Brava. God. Like a little lake in the backyard. I wonder what the front yard looks like.
Probably.